In Guelph, Ontario, an extensive restoration of the Church of Our Lady Immaculate was finally completed in 2014. The building was designed by Ontario architect Joseph Connolly in the mid-1800s. It was inspired by the Cathedral of Cologne, Germany, as an example of 13th century French Gothic architecture. Construction began in 1876 and took 50 years to complete, with the addition of the two bell towers in 1926. But it was never consecrated as the cathedral that John Galt and Bishop MacDonell had intended it to be. Instead, after this restoration, it was rededicated as a basilica by Pope Francis in December of 214. Over the years, water leaks in the limestone walls and slate roof had taken their toll. As part of the restoration of the church, the spiral staircase to the choir loft was retained and the mosaic floors repaired. The narrow spiral staircase was replaced by a larger one in the north tower that has previously housed the noisy blower for the old pipe organ. Modern steel and glass were made to harmonize with the mosaic floors and stained glass windows, and an accessible washroom was installed next to the new stairway entrance. Interior restoration and redecoration began in 2007. Services continue between the scaffolding.
Good evening. We welcome all visitors and regular parishioners to our ceremony.
While the rose window was being repaired, the 1919 Cassavant pipe organ was dismantled and taken to a workshop in Kitchener, where it was brought into the 21st century and restored to its former glory.
The heating and lighting systems were modernized, and extensive repairs were made to the walls and masonry, the basement, the pews, doors, and stained glass windows.
In the basement, lath and plaster were removed to reveal the locally quarried limestone walls. In the crypt lie the bodies of 4 beloved mid-19th century members of religious communities who served the parishioners. Sister Ursula Heenan of the Sisters of St. Joseph, who provided health care services to the area, and Jesuit fathers James Sherlock and Thomas McGivney. All died young.